Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Festool Fest, the show that celebrates Festool, Festoolians, and the Festooliverse. And I'm Jay, your host, and we're here, as you can see, at the Fine Woodworking New England event here in Manchester, Connecticut, at the Connecticut Valley School of Woodworking and Woodcraft of Manchester. So how's it going? Hope you're all doing well. It's a great event. If you've never been, there's a great flea market, demonstrations, knowledgeable people here. Really, it's an amazing event here. My first time, this second year of it happening. I think they're going to have another one next year, so it's well worth coming, I think, if you want to come check it out. A lot of great people. Met one of our viewers, Brian. Brian, nice to meet you yesterday. But one of the things that I wanted to share with you, there is a really exciting announcement from Festool. Today, I got to see the new ETSC 2 150 millimeter and 125 millimeter sanders, the battery-powered 18-volt cordless sanders. Ooh. They are nice. I've been watching these for a while on Festool Europe, and it's just like, when are they coming? When are they coming? So they're finally coming in June, next month. So get ready. And the price is kind of surprising. Evidently, the pricing is going to be just $56 more than the corded version, and that's going to include 2 batteries and a charger. So let's say the ETSC 2 150 millimeter is going to be what? It's right now $609. So $56 more is... Evidently, they're also going to offer a basic model, so it's going to be a lot cheaper without the battery and the charger. So that's going to be a really great way to go. I think that's going to put it right around $400. The ETSC 2 150 and 125 millimeters, so 6 inches and 5 inches, are going to be available. And I understand that the pads that they're using are the same that are on the ETSC models. There's a lot of interchangeability there, and any kind of accessories you may have for those, or at least any sanding pads you may already have, will be interchangeable. So that's a really interesting thing. There's also Forstner bits coming out, as well as a set of Centrotech screwdriver and drivers thingies. Looks really great. Also, thank you to Festool Jerry for the 100-year anniversary cap. Oh. Sporty, right? Oh, also the black eco-friendly 100th anniversary sustainer, as well as the 100th anniversary blue rail, are going to be released as well in June. I believe that the rail is going to be the same price as the current 1040 rail. And you know what? I don't know if this is, I didn't ask, if I remember correctly, it's a M187 Sustainer 3, so I think that's probably going to be like $80. I've already told my dealer, hey, when they come in, I want one. So they're all coming in June, so exciting times finally for the 100th anniversary. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this time. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you have a great one, and see you next time.